Guys, it's Rihanna Niece back again with another video. So today we wanted to show you guys what Gianna eats in a day. She's 8 months old now. She's been on solids for about a month. We have ramped up to actually feeding her 3 meals a day. So we wanted to do this fun little video for you guys. Also, we're doing a mix between baby-led weaning and purees, which I home make myself. I will be doing a separate video on a grocery haul and foods are good for baby-led weaning and all that kind of jazz. But it is about 10 a.m. in the morning. And I usually try to nurse her first and then offer food about an hour later. And that's been working pretty well. So let's get right into this video and show you guys what Gianna eats in a day. So our first meal is the Earth's Best whole grain oatmeal cereal. Also, with that, I add a little bit of peanut butter. I'm going to make this for her right quick, as well as my oatmeal, and we're going to eat together. So, when she gets a little impatient waiting for her breakfast, I will give her organic pea crisp. Also from Earth's Best. She loves these things. Also, like if I'm eating a snack myself that I can't give her, it's right here, Mama. There you go. Then I always carry some of these on me so I can give her one of these and she can feel like she's snacking too. Here, Mama, you want some Nana? She's like, I saw you making that oatmeal, honey. Or offer a bottle of water. She doesn't really drink a whole lot of water, but she likes playing around with it and getting a couple sips here and there. Banana oatmeal. So this is lunch. We have the puree. Right here, it's a vegetable medley. Then we have the chicken, and her starters will be the celery because that's her favorite. And then we have her little water. So I'm gonna give her that while I eat lunch with her. So this is her lunch. This is my lunch. We're about to chow down. You wanna try the chicken, Mama? Your celery? Mmm. And here's Strudel just waiting for her to drop something. So for dinner, I'll be making a fresh puree using the chicken I used for lunch, and then baking some sweet potatoes and carrots in the oven for about 45 minutes to an hour. I just put everything into the Ninja blender with a little bit of water, and it produces this beautiful puree mash that she just absolutely adores. I love it because it has all the nutrients she needs, and she just loves the taste, so both of us are happy. Your first meat. It's good, huh? Hey, cutie. Is it good? You want some more? Birthday. Go, Gigi. It's your birthday. Not really. I do it anyway. You like your new passies and stuff? Ooh, sparkle. Oh. Is that how you feel about it? As you can see, some meals were hits, some were misses, but that's very typical of an 8-month-old baby. So I wanted to give you guys a very realistic view. So I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please give it a big, huge thumbs up. If you like to see what babies eat in a day or what families eat in a day, please drop a comment below. I can make more of these videos. And until the next one, bye. Bye. Say bye-bye. If you like lots of kisses, you should subscribe. Okay. If you like kisses, thumbs up if you like sweet potatoes.